Are you thinking about relocating to Arizona? Or maybe you just moved here and everyone's been warning you, just wait until summer. Well, if you're wondering what it's actually like here in the summer and how people get through it, I'm here to share what you can expect and a few things that'll make your life a whole lot easier when the heat hits. Hi there, April Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate. So here's the deal. Right now as I'm recording, it's May, and that means that summer is coming fast. If you're new here, you might be thinking, well, how bad can it really be? Look, I get it. I did that too. But here's the thing, it sneaks up on you. I mean, we go from, it's warming up to, oh my gosh, my shoes are melting, all in like a week. So let me just give you the scoop. It gets hot, like you walk outside and this blasting heat hits you like you just opened the oven door and boil and then you walk inside the oven. It actually makes you instantly regret leaving your house. But if you know what's coming and you plan for it just a little bit, then you're going to be fine, I promise. And honestly, there's really a lot to love about our summers here. First of all, are you a morning person? Well, if not, you just might become one, because mornings, well, that is when Arizona comes alive. I mean, most of us get up super early, like 6 or 7 or earlier, because that's when you want to get your errands done or go hiking, maybe walk the dog, work out. I mean, basically anything that has to do with outside. Because by noon, you don't want to be out there. I mean, you want to be inside with the AC and maybe even an ice drink. Now, speaking of drinks, how much water have you had today? Hydration is so important. And I know everyone says that, but seriously, it actually matters here. So keep your water with you everywhere. I mean, at all times. Electrolytes are your friend, shade is your friend, and same with sunscreen. Even when you think you don't need it, you do, because our sun is intense. Okay, now let's talk about AC. Now it's gonna run like a lot, and it's basically gonna be your best friend. So get yours serviced early, because you don't want to be calling someone for repairs right in the middle of a heat wave and then you don't have air. Believe me, that is the last thing you want. Now, if you're thinking, what am I supposed to do? Just stay inside all summer? Well, no, you're not stuck inside, because there's still so much to do here in the summer. I mean, if you happen to have your own pool at home, well, then you're already winning here this summer. But if you don't have your own pool, well, don't worry, because there's so many great options. We've got public and community pools, resorts with day passes, tons of splash pads for the kids. And hey, making friends with somebody who does have a pool, well, that's also a great strategy. So what else do we have here? Well, you'll find awesome summer deals at local resorts. I mean, staycation life, it is real, and I've done it many times. Plus, restaurants do these summer menus and deals all season long. And there's also other indoor air-conditioned fun, like movies or arcades, museums, mini golf, shops, go-karts, play centers, malls, cool libraries, I mean, you name it. But if you're up for something fun outdoors, try a classic Arizona thing, like floating down the Salt River on a tube. You're definitely going to need to bring your sunscreen and lots of water, and maybe even a big sun hat. Now, maybe you're more like a getaway travel person. I mean, where would you go? Maybe the mountains, beaches, Vegas? Well, they all are just a short flight away. Now, this next part here I'm going to talk to you about is so important. What is in your car right now? Because once summer hits, your car literally becomes an oven. I mean, I'll never forget the time I left this granola bar in my car. I mean, it was just a granola bar, right? But it was completely melted. The Raptor was puffed up. The chocolate was liquefied. I mean, nuts were just floating in this goo, and that was like after 15 minutes. And that's when it hit me. If a snack can turn into soup in 15 minutes, imagine what the heat does to a person or a pet. Your car isn't just hot in the summer, it's actually an oven, literally. So if you got little ones or furry animals, don't keep them in your car. I am making videos for you with tips and ideas to help keep them safe, cool, and entertained as well. So look out for those. Now look, Arizona summers might take a little getting used to, but here's what I'm gonna leave you with. They can feel overwhelming at first. You might second guess parking spots, or maybe burn your hand on a seatbelt or steering wheel. You might even wonder what you got yourself into. But then you're gonna see a sunset that stops you in your tracks. Or maybe you'll meet neighbors who are just so quick to help, and then you realize that everyone here has a summer survival story to share. And that's what makes this place feel like home. It's not just the weather, but the people. So yeah, it's hot, but it's also beautiful and it's home. So give yourself time to adjust, and hey, if you need ideas, support, or maybe you just want to vent about the heat, I'm always here. Again, I'm April Borst, and I've got more tips, stories, and simple ways to help survive the heat headed your way. So Stay cool, literally. Check back soon. And as always, my focus is you. Oh, and welcome to your first Arizona summer. You've got this. See you later. Bye.